We're gonna have a good time.
Always. Okay, I guess it's my turn, isn't it? All right. The bet is $20.
$20.
All right. You have to have carnal knowledge of a lady this time.
Very impressive, but no one is watching. The superb bird of paradise calls to attract a female.
She's lost that love and feeling.
She's like... No, she hasn't.
Yes, she
She
has.
has not lost that look.
Because she's lost it.
Matt, come on. I hate it when she does that.
But what does he have to do to really impress her?
Excuse me, miss.
Hey. Don't worry, I'll take care of this.
You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips.
There's no tenderness like before in your fingertips.
You're trying hard not to show it, baby. But baby. Whoa, that love and feeling. You lost that love and feeling. Now it's gone, gone. Whoa.
Defeats the bandit with a missile shot. The encounter was a victory, but I think that we've shown it as an example of what not to do.
It's hard not to feel deflated when even your best isn't good enough.